I looked at this wheel and I thought that is not normal brake dust, because it's... Morning guys, so we've got a little update on the new site now. Just before that, check this out.
There's a face in that banana.
Crack me up. I was just cutting up a banana from a little girl. Anyway, what are your guys' opinion on... Oh God, that weren't there about an hour ago. Oh, still wet. Okay, so I've got to get that off. So I bought this car from Aston Barclay Chelmsford. I don't want to admit this on camera or on a video. I bought this about 2 months ago, and I've just brought it back home. It was at my little storage yard. I've just brought it back because I need to start on the car. I haven't had time. I still haven't really got time, but it's a lovely car. So it's a 2.4, which has got to be the most desirable engine in one of these. I wouldn't even buy the 2 litre. The 2 litre is all right, but for me, in something this size, it's a little bit underpowered. If I had one, I would want the 2.4. It's a one owner, done 63, Continentals all round, which I saw as soon as I started looking at it. It's a good colour. It's got a lovely interior. Well, okay, that might be a Marmite interior, but I really like that interior. A lot of people might be going, oh, good Lord, the interior colour. It's an automatic, yes. Is that gearbox questionable? Yes. Have you got to roll the dice sometimes? Yes. I did notice, this wheel. When I was looking at this in the halls, obviously you can't drive cars, but when I was looking at this car, I looked at this wheel and I thought that is not normal brake dust, because it's sort of stained rather than dust. Can you see the way that's ended up sort of contaminating the wheel? I mean, it almost looks wet inside the wheel. That is not normal brake dust. Something scary is going on behind there. We're going to have to check that out. So I know that's an issue that I've got to get sorted out. It's a little bit poorly as far as simple cosmetic stuff goes, but it's a lovely car, and the service history with it is lovely. Yeah, it's a one owner. Is one owner the best thing in the world? Potentially, not always. I don't think it's ever had any paint. I mean, look down the side of it. I haven't touched it yet. Look down the side of it. It's a properly straight car. Both sides. Yeah, it's covered in scratches. Headlights need sorting out, same as usual. But if you guys would like me to do a journey on this one, let me know, because I'm going to have to start it soon. Oh, them wheels. Let me know. That would be cool. If people are at home loving Volvos and loving XC60s, then let me know. But for now, let's get on to the little update. So I've just had a call from the guy who's painting the garage. Said that he's finished all the painting on the outside, ready for the roller shutter to go on the front of the workshop, which is exciting stuff. So I'm just coming back from getting some parts. So I thought I'd come along and have a quick look, see what it looks like. I'm excited. Oh, we're nearly there now. Oh, hold on. Let's go in this way. Oh, look. It's all painted. Hold on. I'll park up. Get out of the van. There it is. How cool does that look in grey? I actually like all of the... You can see all of the brickwork. Look, I actually like it all. It's like it's a bit rustic looking. Is that the word? When it's not all smooth and rendered, and that looks well cool. Oh look, all the new doors. Wow. That is very cool. Hello. Yeah, it's coming along. Can't wait to get that new roller shutter fitted. Can't wait. But until then, that's what it looks like for now. What do you think? It looks. I think it looks mega. I'm really happy with it. I love the colour. The colour looks a little bit better in real life or in person, if that makes any sense. But I'm really happy with it. So the next one is going to be the roller shutter. I'm so excited about that roller shutter. But other than that, so the next video on the channel, that is actually going back a little bit because I had to change the ending of the last one. So it was supposed to be going to auction to buy a Mercedes A-Class. That didn't go according to plan. That happens quite a lot. I haven't got footage of the hauls, but I have for a video coming soon. I know, bear with me. But check this one out. Hopefully you like this one. Let me know what you think about the colour of the building now it's all done. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.